Hi guys, this is Panisha from Armani Exchange, Hyderabad. Today's topic is on top 10 expensive diamonds in the world, and the first one is Kohinoor. This is 105.6 carats, and the finest white has changed ownership many times since it was discovered in 1294, and various Sikh and Mughal and Persian rulers owned and lost it again due to the country's loss after war. And the Kohinoor meaning mountain of light in Persian language. Now the diamond is property of the British crown. This distinct value is unknown, but whispers are like 1 billion euros. It would be. The second diamond is Sancy. It is an yellow diamond, French crown jewel collection in the Louvre in Paris, but it has many owners. The pale yellow diamond is 55.23 carats and shaped like a shield. As the diamond is so rare and expensive, to this date the exact value is unknown and it is priceless. Third diamond is Cullinan, the largest rough gun quality ever found, even polished, and it is still incredibly large with 530.2 carats and has been dubbed the Great Star of Africans. Currently, it is a part of British crown jewels. The price is 337 million euros. Fourth one is the Hope Diamond. This mystically 45.52 carat diamond seems blue in color to the naked eye, and but under ultraviolet rays, it gets red phosphorus look. It is believed to be cursed, bringing bad luck to anyone who owns it, and legend has it was stolen from a Hindustan statue, and when the priest found out they cursed the diamond. You can see it in the Smithsonian Museum of Natural History in Washington DC, and the price of the diamond is 250 million euros. The fifth diamond is the De Beers Sanctuary diamond. This is colorless diamond named after the De Beers consolidated mines. Is classified with the highest grade of colorless diamond, grade color, meaning it is internally and externally flawless. It weighs 273.85 carats, although original cut weighted an astonishing 599 carats, and the price is 84.2 million euros. The sixth diamond is Wittelsbach Graph. It is a beautiful blue diamond discovered in India over 300 years ago. 35.56 carat diamond was part of the Austrian crown jewel for some time, after which was bought by Lawrence Graf. The price is 67.4 million euros. The seventh one is Pink Star, the bright pink beauty, formerly known as the Steinman's Pink. It is the largest pink diamond ever discovered with the Geological Institute of Americas and top classified vivid pink, and it is 59.60 carat diamond. And the eighth diamond is Graf Vivid Pink. It is a rectangular 24.78 carat diamond classified by the Gemological Institute of America as a fancy vivid pink. The top classification of saturation. Lawrence Graf, aka the King of Bling, bought the diamond, which has been placed on a ring for 38.7 million euros. And the ninth one is the currency, and it is paying 34.54 carat diamond. Has been known for 300 years now. After it was discovered in the Golconda mines in India, it was bought from the Hyderabad royal family, and it costs 33 million euros. And the last one, the 10th one, is orange, and this is 14.82 carat bright orange diamond. Broke a world record when it sold to 32 million euros in 2013. But this is a rare gem, surprised the world with its orange beauty and size.